Medical advancements have significantly reduced the prevalence of individuals dying from HIV and AIDS. However, despite continuous education campaigns, infected persons continue to face discrimination in the workplace. As a result, the Ministry of Labour is developing new legislation to govern HIV/AIDS in the workplace. Tobago had the chance to contribute to the development of this legislation today at the Magdalena Grand Hotel. Kandace Jackson has the details.
Secretary of Health, Wellness and Social Protection, Dr. Faith B. Israel, admitted that the legislation to protect individuals with HIV and AIDS in the workplace is 40 years too late.
We are extremely late. But like so many other things, it's better to be late than never.
Although only 1% of the population is recorded as being infected with HIV and AIDS, Minister of Labour Stephen McClatchy stated that these individuals continue to face discrimination by employers. However, they are not fully aware of the extent of the problem.
The ministry does not have that comprehensive data at this time regarding the prevalence of workplace discrimination owing to several factors, including confidentiality, and workers being fearful of disclosing their status during proceedings where actions are taken against employers.
The ministry is currently conducting surveys in hopes of gaining better understanding of the situation. However, global evidence suggests that discrimination contributes to the prevalence of HIV and AIDS persons falling into poverty. Although national workplace policies speak against discrimination, Dr. Joni Masabayana, director of the International Labour Organization Decent Work Team, noted that unless it can be prosecuted under law, it will continue.
It is important, therefore, to change the language of the policy and to implement this measure by ensuring that we make it illegal to discriminate against workers or job applicants based on their legal status.
Dr. Masabayana stressed that there must be no ambiguity in the treatment of workers, including how information on a person's status is handled.
A legislative framework to address this issue should also apply to voluntary testing by ensuring confidentiality and anonymity.
Minister McClatchy also pointed out that Tobago's unique circumstances are recognized by the ministry and hopes that the views of stakeholders could help shape the legislation. Meanwhile, Secretary Dr. B. Israel encouraged the stakeholders to base the legislation on how they, as human beings, would like to be treated. Kandace Jackson, Tobago Updates, Television News.